Shopping for flowers at Lowe's. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today I'm going to Lowe's to check and see what they have for flowers. I've been looking for a particular type of flowers, and I'm going to Lowe's now to check and see what they have and see if I can find. I don't know the name of the flower, but I'm just hoping that I'll be able to see the flower I'm looking for. So here they have some nice beautiful flowers. They have a huge selection of flowers over here. They have some nice beautiful flowers over here. So just take a look at the flowers and see what they have. These are nice, really nice color flowers that definitely would decorate any outdoor space. Shopping for flowers, there are two major categories or types of flowers. There are perennial flowers and there are annual flowers. The annual flowers are the flowers that you plant. You have to plant every year because if you plant them this year, when the winter comes, they die, and you have to plant them again next year. Perennial plants or flowers are plants that will survive the winter. They might die off, or the leaves might die off, but they're gonna come back again year after year. So in the long run, perennial flowers are cheaper to buy in terms of getting a flower set up outside or getting a flower beds. But in some cases, the only beautiful color flowers or flowers that you might really like might be annual ones, because they come they have to be planted every year. So annual flowers, in most cases, you have to make sure that you buy them every year to maintain the presentation that you have either inside or outside. But if you buy perennial, you're able to get those plants or flowers every year, and that saves you in the long run. But that depends on the type of flowers that you're looking for, or the type of flowers you like, or the type of presentation you're trying to do indoors or outdoors. So those are the two main things you want to think about when you're shopping for flowers, or you want to buy flowers. There are other factors that you might consider, but those are the main ones in terms of the survival of the plants or the flowers, and how often you want to have those flowers, or in terms of the presentation, or in terms of buying those flowers. In most containers, it will tell you whether it's annual or perennial. These are all geraniums. And you have petunias over here. And up here you have special petals. You have some ferns over here. And here you have some plantain lilies. You have Christmas tree, plantain lilies over here. These ones are songbird mix Columbine. These are blue angel plantain mix Columbine. House blue. Plantain lily. Austria blue angel. These are Aromaje Ginata, plantain lily. These ones are songbirds, columbines. These are purple passion rhododendrons. And you have some foliage color jalap, juniper. So yeah, you have mostly shrubs over here. You have different varieties of shrubs that you can plant. These are May night salvies. Salvia. May night salvia. These are marigold. And these petunias. Okay, that's what they have for flowers and shrubs over here at the Lowe's around me. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all other upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and happy growing.